Express 9918 on the way to Bregenz main station, located in the rear part of the train. It's the first business class on board restaurants, snacks and drinks. If you have any questions, the train stop is here. You can assist our next stops in our main station being Meidling, St. Pölten, Linz, Salzburg, Kufstein, Wörgl, Innsbruck. All passengers, we wish you a pleasant journey. Eine Information, dieser Zug wird in Wien Hauptbahnhof der Aufenthalt verdoppelt. Der hintere Zugteil geht nach Bolzano, der vordere Zug geht nach Bregenz. Die Zugteilung findet in Innsbruck statt. For your information, this train will be double in Vienna main station. The front train goes to Bregenz and the second train goes to Bolzano.
Time.
This is time.
Deutsche Name in Bolzano ist der 2 hours.
Làm trên cái anh phí xe của xe nè.
cũng có soal
Xe con kia. Salzburg lên tiga. Đi से Salzburg lên.
Salzburg sama
Map Hong Kong rồi.
Salzburg sama maybe lah. Malam map nggak kalau Polson.
Google Map.
You have to English?
Kanan ke English.
Speak English?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. I just checked it because you have to change the train in Salzburg.
Yes, from Salzburg.
Yeah, so this is good for Salzburg. Perfect.
Yes.
Anyway, everyone say, okay, you are in 1753 in Salzburg and have about 14 minutes to change the other train to St. Johann.
Oh, Salzburg cũng có point B lên còn không cần tất cả những cái
Mà cái là cái vào which point in Salzburg?
It's called the IC 211 to